Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sociology Bytes, and this video is actually not related to sociology. This video is for LLB students. This video I have made on demand of a student. So in this video we are going to see the multiple choice questions of legal aptitude section of entrance exam 2020. So the first question is, which is the oldest code of law in India? Options are Narada Smriti, Manu Smriti, Veda Smriti, Prasar Smriti, and the correct option is option B, Manu Smriti. And the next question is, a nominal sum given as a token for striking a sale is called. Options are earnest money, advance, interest, solatium, and the correct answer is option A, earnest money. Next question we have is, the right of a party to initiate an action and be heard before a court of law is called. Options are right in rem, right in person, fundamental right, locus standing, and the correct answer is option D, locus standing. The next question we have is, Indian Parliament is based on the principle of. Options are bicameralism, B, universal adult franchise, C, diarchy, D, federalism, and the correct answer is option A, bicameralism. Next question is, when the master is held liable for the wrongful act of his servant, the liability is called. Options are strict liability, vicarious liability, tortious liability, absolute liability. And the correct answer is option B, vicarious liability. Let's see the next question. Friends, please don't mind the numbering of questions. Our next question is, the act of unlawfully entering into another's property constitutes. Options are trespass, restraint, appropriation, encroachment, and the correct answer is option A, trespass. The next question we have is, which parliamentary committee in Indian system of democracy is chaired by a member of opposition party? Options are A, estimates committee, B, joint parliamentary committee, C, public accounts committee, D, finance committee. The correct answer is option C, public accounts committee. Let's jump to the next question. The next question we have is, Supreme Court held that preamble as a basic feature of constitution cannot be amended in the case of. Options are Golaknath v. the State of Punjab, Maneka Gandhi v. Union of India, S.R. Bhumi v. Union of India, Kesav Nanda Bharti v. the State of Kerala. The correct answer is option D, Kesav Nanda Bharti, the State of Kerala. The next question we have is, in the year 2002, the Competition Act was enacted replacing. Options are Trademarks Act, Copyright Act, Contract Act, MRTP Act. The correct answer is option D, MRTP Act. And the next question is, a right to recover a time-barred debt is. Options are universal right, perfect right, imperfect right, fundamental right, and the correct answer is option C, imperfect. The next question we have is, the law relating to prisoners of war has been codified by. Options are Geneva Convention, Vienna Convention, Paris Convention, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, Geneva Convention. And the next question is, public holidays are declared under. Options are Criminal Procedure Code, Civil Procedure Code, Constitution of India, Negotiable Instrument Act, and the correct answer is option D, Negotiable Instrument Act. And the next question is, when a person is prosecuted for committing a criminal offense, the burden of proof is on. Options are accused, prosecution, police on, complainant, and the correct answer is option B, prosecution. And the next question is, an offense which can be compromised between the parties is known as. Options are non-compoundable offense, cognizable offense, compoundable offense, non-cognizable offense, and the correct answer is option C, compoundable offense. Let's see the next question. Husband and wife have a right to each other's company. The right is called. Options are conjugal right, human right, civil right, fundamental right, and the correct answer is option A, conjugal right. Next question we have is a person dying intestate mean he, options are died without legal heirs, died without making a will, died without any property, died without a son, and the correct answer is option B, died without making a will. So the next question we have is if a witness makes some statement in court knowing it to be false, he commits the offense of, options are forgery, falsehood, perjury, breach of trust, and the correct answer is option C, perjury. Next question we have is a child born after father's death is posthumous, heir, intestate, bastard, and the correct answer is option A, posthumous. And the next question we have is a formal instrument by which one person empowers another to represent him is known as, options are affidavit, power of attorney, will, declaration, and the correct answer is option B, power of attorney. And the next question we have is the temporary release of a prisoner is called, options are parole, B, amnesty, C, discharge, D, pardon, and the correct answer is option A, parole. So let's jump to the next question we have. The offense of inciting this disaffection, hatred, or contempt against government is, options are perjury, forgery, sedition, revolt, and the correct answer is option C, sedition. Let's jump to the next question we have. India became the member of United Nations in the year, options are 1956, 1945, 1946, and 1950. The correct answer is option B, 1945. Let's jump to the next question we have, and the next question is a party to the suit is called, options are accused, plaintiff, litigant, complainant, and the correct answer is option C, litigant. The next question we have is fiduciary relationship means a relationship based on, options are trust, money, contract, blood relation, or incapacity, and the correct answer is option A, trust. The next question we have is what is caveat? Options are a warning, an injunction, writ, and last option is certiorari, and the correct answer for this question is option A, warning. Now the last question of this video we have is person who goes underground or evades the jurisdiction of the court is known as, options are offender, underground, absentee, absconder, and the correct answer for this question is option D, absconder. So guys, these were the 25 questions which can be asked in your entrance examination of 2020 Allahabad University. And if the video is helpful to you, please don't forget to do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Sociology Bytes. You can also follow me on Instagram and my Telegram.